This is room 9317 at the Grand Floridian. This is an upgraded room, not upgraded, updated room, newly renovated. The bathroom right off to the left. The details in this room are stunning. Double sinks with your towels underneath. Lots of Mary Poppins artwork everywhere. And then you've got your toilet room with your bath. And your shower. That is another detachable shower head. And then in this one, you've got your individual H2O products. And this also has a door for privacy that you can shut. And someone is in the bath. And then to the right here, you've got your desk with beautiful artwork in the background, the wallpaper. And then also right here is the hair dryer. And then over here to the left, you have a kitchenette with a microwave, and actually the detail in the back with Mary Poppins there with the wallpaper. And you've got a Keurig, ice, and then if you open this up, you've got all your coffees and plates, wine openers, forks, sugars, creamers, everything that you would need. And then right underneath here is your fridge. Opening up to the beds here. Here were 2 queen beds. And the closets here are really cool. So these are your closets hidden, and they open out. The light pops on here. You've got your extra pillow blanket. You've got your robes. Luggage rack. And then your safe is over here. And with it also has a steamer inside the room. And then next to the beds, they have plugs. And then they also have these little reading lights, which I think are so cool. And here's your drawers over here. Plenty big. Nice and wide. Nice good depth. And then you've got your pull-out couch here. It folds down into a bed. I should say pull-out bed, not a couch. Mary Poppins artwork, love. And we have lagoon view here. And you also have some storage here. And then last, your balcony over here.